welcome back to my channel. I am Surbhi and I make videos on beauty, makeup, fashion, travel, lifestyle and sometimes cooking. So today I have created this beautiful look for the Valentine's Day, and if you want to know how I created this soft nude beautiful look, then just follow through the steps and keep on watching. So first thing first, I'm gonna sanitize my hands because it's very important to do your makeup with clean. So adding a good moisture to your skin is very important. I have already moisturized my face, but for my lips today I'm gonna use Laneige lip mask. This is a sleeping lip mask, but I anyway use it in the daytime also. So I'm gonna take a little bit on my nail. This is not the most cleanest thing, but then just do with it. Primer, I'm using my Benefit Professional primer, and I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger, this much, and spread it all over my face and fill in all those open pores. So I have kept in mind a very nude and fresh look for my Valentine's look. So for that, I'm going to add little highlighting drops from L'Oreal. These are glow highlighting drops, and that's how it looks like. It's very pigmented, so I'm just gonna take a single drop. Can you see? It's very pigmented. So I will take a little single drop at the back of my palm, and I think that will be enough for my whole face. For my foundation, I had initially thought that I'm gonna keep it very sheer, but I have some acne situation going on right here and here, so I'm gonna have to give it a medium coverage. And for that, today I'm gonna be mixing two of my foundations. This is Forever Skin Glow by Dior. इसका थोड़ा सा packaging टूट गया है, so please ignore that. And I'm gonna be mixing my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Stay Foundation. I'm gonna be taking one pump from each, mix them both and spread it on my face. Okay, so to blend it all together, I'm using my PAC 265 brush. This is a buffing brush, and that's how it looks like. For concealer today, I'm using my Fit Me concealer, and this is shade 36 Golden. To brighten my face, I'm gonna use this brightening concealer. Now to set my face and my under eyes, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is shade, I think 25. No, this is shade light medium 20, and it's a very good drugstore loose powder. So now I will move on to my eyes. कुछ ज़्यादा मैंने plan नहीं किया है. I will go with the flow, but one thing is there. It's gonna be a nude and fresh look. Okay, so for my eyes today, as my transition base, I'm gonna use this Hoola bronzer. It's a bronzer, but I use it as an eyeshadow because the color is amazing. So for the rest of the eye makeup look, I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty remastered rose gold palette right here. And the first color that I'm gonna be using from this palette is this color right here, Cocoa, and create some depth with it. I'm gonna be using this color right here, Bubbly, and put it on the inner corners and as well as on the areas I want to highlight on my eyes. You can use a brown pencil, kajal pencil to line your eyes, or a black eyeliner. So I'm confused. So to keep it very easy, I'm just using my brown kajal. And by the way, this one is from Lakme, which range? Iconic. Yeah, so this is Lakme Iconic Kajal that I'm using as eyeliner. Actually, I ordered a very good mascara from Rimmel London for today's particular look that I don't know which I received and now it's lost. So I'm gonna go back to my all-time favorite Flower Beauty Warrior Lash Mascara. And it is an amazing mascara. Every time I try to use another one, my hands automatically go on to this one. So if you want a good mascara which has long lasting effect, curls your lashes, give it a long lengthy look, then go for it. So yeah. So I'll quickly go offline, do my eyebrows and get back to you. So I'm done with my eyebrows now. It's time to bronze my face, and for that I'm going back to my favorite Hoola bronzer. That's how it looks like. This comes with a small brush like so you can use this brush also. I have a bronzing brush in my hand, so I'm gonna be using this. Little dust off extra, and starting from my temples to my cheekbones to my jawline. So basically you have to create a 3 like this, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright, for my blush today I'm gonna go back to my favorite Maybelline Fit Me. I think Maybelline makes the best drugstore products, so that's why I have most of the drugstore products from Maybelline, and that's how the blush looks like. It's a very beautiful, very natural color which will just add a little bit of flush. So I kind of like this rosy sa nose. To highlight my face, I'm gonna be using this beautiful highlighter from Becca. This is their Champagne Pop highlighter, and that's how it looks like. It actually fell once and the pan got empty, so I'm being very careful about it. If you have this highlighter, just be careful because it someday might fall off from the pan. Sometimes this area too, because this is again the high point. This is the area I love the most to highlight. कभी-कभी आप यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हो. I don't highlight my brow bone all the time, but ठीक है. There's no harm. And your Cupid's bow, this is the most cutest place to highlight, and a little bit. So the last step is to lip line my lips, and for that I have this Rimmel London lip liner in shade God knows. I don't know because it's just worn off. But just to give you an idea, it's a very nude shade. So if you see any nude shade in any of the companies that you like, buy it and just line your lips with it. So for my lipstick today, I'm gonna be using this 656 Clay Crush matte lipstick from Maybelline, and that's how the color looks like. So today I'm gonna be mixing 2 lipsticks to make my color. This is a matte one, and that one has a little frosting in it. To top it off the shade, I have this another lipstick from Kiko Milano. This is their Smart Fusion lipstick, shade number 405, and that's how it looks like. Both the colors look very similar to each other, but this one is very natural. It looks very more like a lip balm or something, and that has a matte touch to it. So I'm gonna be mixing both and create my shade. Now the last step is to fix all it together, and for that I'm using my Color Bar makeup fixer. It's Stay the Day finishing mist, and it's quite a great product and quite affordable. So I'm shaking it a little bit and just spraying it and avoiding the eye area. Just giving 2, 3. guys, with this I conclude the whole look. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also try out this look, go out on a date, enjoy your day, and don't worry if you don't have a date, stay at home, order some chocolates and roses for yourself because girl, you deserve it, and watch a movie and enjoy your day. But I have a date to go to, so I will go now and I will see you super soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.